Here we are in Merrill, and this is a fallen tree, and this is the only remaining piece of a sawmill that we read about on the listing there by the Park Service. And it's right here by the river. If you see down there, that's the river, and that was the train tracks, and the bridge was just on the other side of that. So the sawmill was pretty conveniently located. It's all covered with moss now. I'm not sure what this part of the building was for, but this is about it. These must all be new growth, these trees. Here's this end. And you can see there's like a passageway in here, but I'm not going to venture in there. I don't want to surprise any snakes or anything else.